They were looking for the small, fast creatures at the Upper Delaware BioBlitz this summer. 9 teams of scientists descended on this area and collected more than 800 different plant and animal species, including the slaty skimmer.
The immatures as nymphs, when they live in the water, they're very vicious. They've got mouth parts that actually shoot out. The bigger ones will eat small frogs, fish.
For the first time, a banded pennant dragonfly is photographed and identified in Sullivan County, New York.
They're actually less common. You see a lot fewer banded pennants than you do the calicos.
The teams also search for the larger creatures in flight. Bald eagles are found in abundance in the Upper Delaware.
Bald eagles are actually a barometer of the health of the habitat that they're in this case the Delaware River. And the Delaware River has always been known as being a healthy river. So they're drawn to here because we have enough undisturbed forest for them to make their nests and a clean river for them to fish and gather food for their young.
The event offers scientists the opportunity to come together and share their findings with each other and the public.
It's not about big science, it's really small science. It's to find data and publish it publicly so that everyone can see what the diversity is.
The researchers also found 121 species of bryophytes, or moss. They play an important role in providing food, habitat, and absorbing 1 greenhouse gas.
In the peat underneath the sphagnum is lots of carbon. So when that starts breaking down and releasing, we're going to be really in trouble.
There is a moratorium in place on gas extraction in the entire Delaware River watershed. Research shows the practice is a threat to this natural area and the creatures that call it home.
Well, in studies that we've done in the past, it's shown that the effects of gas extraction can be detrimental to mayflies, which are sort of your canary in a coal mine. So they're a very sensitive species when it comes to pollution. And so the wastewater that's produced from fracking of natural gas contains high salts and some pollutants that will kill these mayflies, basically. They won't be able to live in the streams.
Join us on Friday, June 24th and Saturday, June 25th for this year's Upper Delaware BioBlitz. The 2016 BioBlitz will also be held at the 10 Mile River Scout Camp in Tustin, New York.